Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today friends, I will show you how to connect n8n with Google Sheets. So follow me in this video, let's get started. First guys, open your console.cloud.google and click on this option and click new project. From this project, select this project, write your project name, and after that you will get notification from here that the project was created. Click select project. After that guys, all you have to do when you select the project, go to this API access, as you can see here on the screen, app service, and then wait a few seconds. Just on the search bar, search for Google Sheet API, Google Sheet. As you can see here guys, just a Google Sheet API. After that guys, when you click this one, just click enable this option Google Sheet API, and then just wait a few seconds guys. Just wait till this option, you see this option guys, library, and from library guys, all you have to do, click create. From library, scroll down. So guys, scroll down library or go to this icon credentials and click create a credentials guys. After that, write this icon next and write your choose this user data, click next. After that guys, click when you click next, click app name, and for example n8n, this is app name, and from here you should be select user support emails and write your email address. This is developer's email and click save. Write developer's email, click save, and then all you have to do guys, just click save. After that guys, click add all save and click done. Write your application types, for example web application, and click done. This is as you can see here, and from here you see all information. This is how you can do guys. When you complete the steps guys, the name and item ID, for example this name test and this ID, click done. After that guys, go to your, what you have to do, go to your n8n, click add first step. From here search for sheet, Google Sheets, and click on this one icon and click credentials informations and sign up with your Google Sheet account, or you can start using your information that's come from your Google Clouds. This is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you guys.